straight and run the harbor. Tomorrow for old England, she says. Far away from your land of endless sunshine, to my land full of rainy skies and gales. I shall be a harbor swift and long, but my heart is full of tears at this farewell. For you are beautiful, and I love you dearly, more dearly than the soul can control. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly, more dearly than the soul can control. My prayer so weak you are ablaze. On the list of war I knew so very well. Even now I see the foreign flag arrayed. Their guns on fire as we sail to hell. I have no fear of death, it brings no sorrow, but I'll be